Today, we are going to discuss the big question on everyone's mind. Will AI replace our jobs? Let's go through some news reports.
The amount of change we're going to see over the next 5 years, 10 years, will dwarf everything that's happened over the last 30.
Probably none of us will have a job. If you want to do a job as kind of like a hobby.
A new report is sounding the alarm over the impact of artificial intelligence on the job market in the United Kingdom. It suggests almost 8 million jobs in the UK could be lost to AI.
But just in the past 12 months, we have seen jobs mentioning GPT surge over 50%.
I believe that there will be far greater jobs on the other side of this, and that the jobs of today will get better.
Is AI going to take away your job?
Artificial intelligence could replace millions of jobs.
We are about to enter a new era of technology that could make us more productive, grow the global economy, and increase incomes worldwide. However, it could also take away jobs and make inequality worse. Let's have a look at some statistics to know where we stand and what to expect. According to the World Economic Forum, in the next 5 years, 85 million jobs will be displaced due to AI. But there will also be 97 million jobs created by this AI revolution. According to the International Monetary Fund, approximately 30% of jobs in advanced economies are at risk of being replaced by AI. In emerging markets, this risk is about 20%, and in low-income countries, it's 18%. This means that the number of workers who could potentially be replaced by AI in the future is larger than ever before. There are two primary ways AI impacts our jobs: automation and augmentation. Job sectors that could be impacted by automation in AI include manufacturing, retail, banking and finance, transportation and logistics. Jobs that could be impacted by augmentation in AI include healthcare, legal services, customer service. Now, let's take a look at some examples of AI at work in the real world. Meet Digit, the humanoid robot from Agility Robotics that's not just walking, but working at GXO Logistics and Amazon. GXO Logistics announced they're rolling out a small fleet of Digit robots at a Spanx facility in Connecticut. Let's hear what Peggy Johnson, CEO of Agility Robotics, has to say.
Digit is stepping in and picking up tasks at GXO. They're a third-party logistics operator just outside of Atlanta. We'll be moving product within their warehouse. This is kind of the dull, repetitive sorts of tasks that's hard to find people to step in and do, but we are on the clock now.
GXO Logistics isn't putting all their eggs in one basket when it comes to robotic automation. Alongside Digit, they are also employing Apollo by Apptronic. By diversifying their robotic workforce, GXO is strategically leveraging the strengths of different humanoid robots to optimize their operations. Digit and Apollo are not the only humanoid robots making waves in the manufacturing and logistics sectors. Figure 1, a humanoid robot developed by Figure AI, is now an integral part of the vehicle assembly process at BMW's South Carolina plant. This advanced robot can manipulate objects with both hands and has the ability to learn on the job, making it a valuable asset in the manufacturing process. Optimus 2, a general-purpose bipedal humanoid robot, is designed to perform tasks that are unsafe, repetitive, or boring. Tesla has been testing its Optimus 2 robot in-house. According to a post by the company on X, 2 of these humanoid robots are already handling tasks autonomously in the EV maker's factory. Manual and repetitive jobs are at a higher risk of automation. The rise of AI and robotics in the workplace, with humanoid robots like Digit, Apollo, Figure 1, and Optimus 2, is bringing significant changes, especially in areas like warehouses. So, while robots handle the heavy lifting, humans can focus on optimizing processes, improving efficiency, and developing innovative solutions. Now, let's dive into a recent news article about a controversy at the New York Times. An internal memo obtained by the Wrap reveals that the New York Times Guild is asking management to rethink cutting 9 out of 16 jobs in the art production department. The union believes these cuts are essentially being driven by AI technology. As per the workers' union, we are saddened by these cuts and urge the company to reconsider its rush to sacrifice quality for profits. These cost-cutting moves reflect a broader mindset that puts cost savings over people and the quality of our work. Cutting 9 human roles and expecting that work to be done by software is a troubling instance of our members being replaced by technology. A spokesperson for the Times stated that the affected employees are being offered voluntary buyouts and that these decisions are unrelated to the company's use of AI technology. These cuts occur at a time when the media industry is grappling with the integration of advanced AI technology in journalism, with numerous companies striking deals with AI firms to license their content. It might seem far-fetched to think about robots and AI taking over, but it's already happening. So far, we've discussed one example each of how automation and augmentation are impacting real-world jobs, but this is just the beginning. But is this the first time humans have faced job displacement due to technology? Absolutely not. Think back to the first industrial revolution, when the global economy shifted from agriculture to industry. If you were a farm worker at that time, like roughly 3/4 of all people, could you have imagined a future where only 1 in 20 people worked on farms? Consider the invention of the telephone, automobiles, airplanes, and the internet. Who could have imagined 20 years ago that today there would be 800,000 personal trainers employed in the US and about 2.5 million jobs in the app development industry? Going ahead, as individuals, we have to take responsibility for the way we let AI shape our jobs and ultimately our lives. AI systems can enhance human abilities, but they cannot replace the unique qualities of human creativity, imagination, or emotional intelligence. Navigating life in the age of AI means addressing these challenges, adapting to new ways of working and living alongside these technologies. It involves leveraging AI's strengths while acknowledging its limitations, and most importantly, celebrating and nurturing our innate capacity to dream, innovate, and envision new possibilities. That's it for today, folks, and if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting content.